Question 6. Mark with the arrows a pair of parallel lines. Right, you could either have these two lines here, so you could have marked them, or with a different colour you could have marked these two. Then it says mark with an A and a acute angle, so this is question 6, so we've done A there, and B is coming on the same part. Acute angle, you could either mark that angle in there, that's less than 90, or that angle there, either of them two for the mark. Question 7, a ticket at a football match costs £38. Ahmed has £120, he buys as many tickets as possible. How many tickets does he buy? So pretty much keep adding 38s until you've spent too much. So that's 16, 76, so take your 76, add another 38 to it. That's £114. He's not going to be able to spend more than that, so he'll have got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 tickets. How much money has he got left? Well, from that you count up to 120. He's got £6 left. Question 8. Write down an odd number. So it's a number that isn't even, so it's not in your 2 times table. So you could have had 3 or 15, and that would have been your choices, one of those two. A multiple of 6, so in your 6 times table, so 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. So 12 could be, or 24. And a factor is a number that goes into 18. So what goes into 18 there? Well, 2 goes into it, 3 goes into it, and that's it. So either of those two numbers you could have had there. Question 9. Write a quarter as a decimal. So again, my general method here, you stress in the exam, is your denominator goes on the outside, your numerator goes on the inside. Put a few notes on. How many 4s in 1? No 4s go in. You got your 1 remainder still. How many 4s in 10? 2 go in. 2 remainder. How many 4s in 20? That's 5. So your answer there, 0.25. Part B. Write 0.8 as a percentage. So 0.8 percentage is per 100. So if we just times that by 100, then it will give us our percentage. So it moves twice up, so it ends up being 80%. Write this ratio in its simplest form. Think of it as a fraction. What do you do with 2 over 6? Well, you'd half it. So all you do is half both numbers, and it gives you 1 to 3. Question 10, angle question. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Got 10A there. So we know it's 180 degrees on a straight line, so we're now going to take off 80 and 70. We'll take off 80 first of all, you get 100, and then take off your 70, you're left with 30. So X equals 30 degrees. And then for B, the fact you need to be aware of for B is in a quadrilateral the angles add up to 360 degrees. So Y will be 360, take away 40, 122, and then that square. Now that square is a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So first thing I'm going to take the 90 degrees away, which gives me 270. I'm then going to take away the 40, which gives me 230. And then I'm going to count up. So from 122, add 8 on, gives me 130, and go straight to me 230 there by 100. So it's going to be 8 and 100, so Y will be 108 degrees.